we've discussed the commercial. Let's kind of turn it now and move to that second point that you raised. Let's move it to the residential. So instead of at a big city or big institution, what happens when we move to our house? We might have solar panels on it or a wind turbine back on the farm, those type of things. What are some of the critical things that we have to look at when it becomes more personal?
Well, when it comes down to your house, you need also the reliability. However, you may not need as big of a density, and you need miniaturization, right? So we really tend to go very, very small on connectors on that end, still making them very cost effective.
And that's so that when we do things like smart meters inside of our house, right, it can fit on the wall and be nice and elegant so that my wife isn't upset that I have some type of big box.
Absolutely, yes. You don't want a big trailer box on the outside of the house to look at, yeah.
Could you share with us a little bit about some of the ways that you're making small, miniature, highly dense residential products?
Absolutely. Actually, we do have some great products in the market now. So when it comes to put two boards together, we do have hybrid connectors with power and signal terminations on it. So in a very small package, you're already saving space and saving the management of the customer to have to manage two different separate lines. So you get them together, and you can do it either on the board, the two boards together, or you can do it on a wired position, right? So if you need the wired connection to one part of the device to the other, you also have it as such miniaturized. Now, as we shrink and shrink and shrink down to your thermostat or your remote control at the end of the day, you get the very smaller product lines, such as Minitech. That's part of the name of it, right? Is mini technology. So even though we have different sizes, the smallest one we do offer on the market today is 0.8 millimeter pitch. So it's really tiny little cables that will help you to fit in a very small device so nobody notices in the house.
Does having that reduction in size maybe help also with cost? Does that allow you to make things that are highly cost efficient for a consumer? Because, you know, I only got a limited amount of money I can spend.
Oh, absolutely. Actually, as you go on, we have different techniques, we will say, to reduce cost ourselves. So we offer different platings, different sizes, different combinations. But at the end of the day, customers want to get something that is low cost, but still super reliable, that will fit all their needs. Yes.
So in residential, then, you're really working to make things smaller and more affordable for all the residential.
Without sacrificing the reliability of the product, which is the key thing for customers.
Excellent.